I want to show you how to find a book at the Brooklyn Tech High School Library. First, you go to our website and then click on Search Our Catalog. From here, you'll see there's two kinds of searches, a classic search and a modern search. Modern search brings up all kinds of results because they're basically a keyword search. So if I look for the word universe, looking for a book about the universe, I also get books with universe in the title that may not be related, such as the restaurant at the end of the universe. So you can filter these down here. You see there's all these different ways to filter down your results, but I find it's much easier for me to start at the classic search where I can search by title, author, subject, keyword, or series. So I'm going to click by subject. But you'll notice I spelled universe wrong, and so it's going to say there's no matches found. This system is very difficult and it doesn't help you with your spelling like Google. Let's revise this. And look at my results. I can see Look at my results. I can see Astrophysics for People in a Hurry, Perfect, by Neil deGrasse Tyson. One of two books are available. That means that one should be in the library on the shelf. And this is the location. This is the second thing that you need to notice. The call number. This is 523.01 TYS. So it's by subject, 523.01, and then by author. You'll notice some other books. Here you can see a call number of another book. This is a fiction book. Here you can see the call number of a fiction book. It says FICSAE, so it's the author's last name. It's fiction and then the author's last name. This book is also available in the fiction section. Here's a fiction book that's located in the Here's a fiction book that's located Here's a fiction book. You'll see the call number is not by number, not by subject number. It says FIC, F or FIC, and then the author's last name. The other option is bio, and then the last name of the person that the book is about, in this case Kepler. Then I take that, write that down, and go look on the shelf to see if I can find it.